Hi guys, so today we are opening Barbie Fashionista number 233. 233, yes. This is the UPC item number. She is quite lovely. These are all that she can get. This is her here. We have most of it, so yeah. Anyway, let's unbox her. So they made it kind of easier. Let me just put you up a little. See? And then you just pull her out. Oh, we should be able to. Oh, okay. What's stuck? Oh, okay. So she's out. Let's just cut the thingies. And she's a tall fashionista, and I really wanted her, but I couldn't find her. And now that we have her, I'm kind of happy. She's going onto my shelf, and she's as I said, a tall. I really like these tall Barbie dolls. Let me just zhuzh her hair up just a little bit. Oh, yeah. Her hair is so freaking soft, but it's so, it's full of electricity. She's a lovely doll. So, okay. Here she is. I really can't remember the face mold. I know I had that face mold in my videos. Is it I don't know, you'll tell me in the comments. She's really pretty. Look at her. She's got brown eyes. Are they brown? Yes. And really nice dark brown hair, almost black. And I'm pretty sure it's a good quality hair. It's very bouncy. Yeah, she's gonna need a lot of work with that hair. There is a little bit of weird rooting underneath, but it's fine. I need a metal comb. So there she is. And she's got this lovely little necklace. Her shoes are sandals, and she's tall, so yeah. Her dress is one piece. It's kind of scrunched up here. There's a little hole here. She's got different colored straps. The dress goes, well, above her knees, and it's Velcro in the back, and the pattern goes all the way around, which is kind of weird for Mattel, but she has one hand, how to say, bent. Let me just see if she's a match for this girl. Could we rebody her? I don't think so. No, she's much lighter. See? Yeah. This girl is much lighter. Sadly, because I got this doll as a double, and I'm not doing anything with her except trying on clothes here with you guys, but yeah, she is really tall. Oh my god. Let me just stand her up and show you. Oh, look down, girl. Yes. So she goes, whoosh. Let me just see. She can barely fit in the frame like this. She really is a nice doll. She's gonna get her place in my little mini Barbieverse. And yeah, well, Dollverse. And I present to you number 233, was it? Let me just check. Yes, 233. So we came a long way, guys. So anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and if you know the face mold, tell me, because I'm pretty sure I had a doll with this face mold and I didn't know it, and somebody told me, but I forgot, and I don't know. I would have to go back into the videos, but yeah, maybe I'll do that. Anyway, thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, share, whatever, and bye from Tom, and be good. And yeah, I think she would tell you be good as well. Bye bye.